Hello everyone, welcome back to Champs channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating by following a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, if you are using a thick or heavy phone case, try removing it. Bulky cases can trap heat inside your iPhone and make it warmer than normal. If possible, switch to a lighter case. Another important thing is to avoid using your iPhone under direct sunlight. When your iPhone is exposed to the sun, the battery temperatures increase and your screen brightness usually goes up as well. If your brightness is already set to maximum, this can make your iPhone heat up even faster. Next, take a look at the apps you are using. Some apps requires a lot of power, especially graphic intensive games, streaming apps. If you have an older iPhone, these apps can make your device work harder and generate more heat. Try closing any apps you are not using. After that, go to Setting and tap on Battery. Here you can see which apps are using the most battery power. This can help you identify what might be causing your iPhone to overheat. If a certain app is using too much battery, you may want to limit its use or remove it. The next step is to turn off background apps refresh. To do this, go to Setting, then General, and tap Background App Refresh. This features all those apps to keep running in the background. Even when you are not using them, turning it off can help reduce battery usage and prevent overheating. Now make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Setting, then General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Keep in mind that after a major software update, your iPhone may feel warm for a day or two because it is indexing and organizing data in the background. This is normal and should improve after some time. Software updates can also fix bugs that may be causing overheating issues. Another thing to check is your charger. If you are using a fake damaged or low quality charger, it can cause your iPhone to heat up while charging. Always try to use an original or certified charger and make sure it is in good condition. You should also check your battery health. Go to setting, then battery, and tap battery health and charging. Here you can see your maximum capacity. Ideally it should be above 90%. If it drops too low, your battery may no longer perform normally and could contribute to overheating problems. Finally, if your iPhone is still overheating, try restarting it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And that's it for today's video. Those are some of the best ways to fix iPhone overheating issues. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to TechChamps for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.